completely, because if it does have a missing spot, it's might easy to break when you're weighing it. Or if it too over is bigger, it might be like overlap like this, it might be too big for your nails. So you want to make sure that it covers from the sidewall to sidewall. And then this length I'm using stiletto long, and it come in half size, so it's like 12 sizes, I think. So then that way it's easy for you to find the size. So now before we start first with the gel tip extensions, only you need this tool for Bestie. I'm going to show you right now. This is the primer for you to dehydrate it, so it's balance the pH. And then we are going to be the base. This base will not only protect on the natural nails, also it will help a special bond on the tips extension. And then we need a tip extension glue gels, and then the no wipe top coat. You're gonna see me do this a lot with the gel extension. It's super easy, it's not complicated at all. So now I'm gonna using the base gel, and I am going, you don't even have to adjust the nails at all. The reason it is just make it more work for you, is more dust flying around, and also it's gonna be a more chance to thinning your inside of the underneath of the nails at the tips, which is that not necessary. So now we're gonna cure this really thin coat. It's about the same length as my nails, and then we do a thin coat and cure this for 10 seconds. So like basically it's just a sandwich, is both your natural nails and then the gel extension tip has the base gels. So now I am go ahead and using a primer, and let me close it back in the primer, and we are going to apply is one coat on the natural nails. We can like go ahead and do all 5 of them. Okay, so I did one nails this one already, but then I did the rest of them is dry under the nails. You can do all 10 nails, size all 10 nails, and then you are going to apply all 10 nails with the base gels underneath of the tips first. Then now we are going to the base gel, so we're gonna apply all 4 nails, which is I did the thumbs already. So I'm gonna do a thin coat of the base gels. Am I in the middle of the camera?
You good. Keep going.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Cliff Bay, for tuning in. Happy Wednesday. I'm so excited. We'll take like one day's just 1 day off from that acrylics. I'm loving it. I just want to matching this one with my like dominance hand that I have a gel extension, which is I did use stiletto long. So all right, so we're finished with the base gels. We're going to cure this for 10 seconds only. And I see I have all of this is already have the gels underneath, I mean on the other sides. So it's ready for me to adding a gel extension on. Should be Mika. Awesome. So this one is size 6. So my nails is the ring finger and then index finger are the same size, so they're both size 6, and then this is size 4. The middle fingers is size 4. So now for this application is super easy. All you need is this Bestie tip extension glue gels. If you haven't had a hands on this, check this Bestie out. That is going to definitely holding. This one I have it on my probably a week or 2 weeks already, and it stays really cool and solid. So I'm go ahead and apply, turn it over. It's already have a gel base underneath, so we're gonna get about a spoon like a drop of the tip extension glue gel. Can you close this one, please? And we're gonna drop it right here. You ready for the lamb? And then we are going to just like support your fingers with one of your fingers, and then using this one on the nails, and we're gonna hold about 45-degree angle, and then we're gonna go ahead and gentle press it down, just really gentle. You don't have to go so quite fast, so quick. And then using the flashlight and cure it, and I hold for probably about 10 seconds. You can't see it. Can we see it?
You do. How's that?
Okay. Let me give it just a little bit more.
It's better.
Yep. And then moving on the next one. Moving on the next one, we are going to using this one. I'm using size 4 for my middle fingers. And again, a gel tip extension, glue. It's about a full drop. You can see that it's about the full drop. And then we are going to apply it again, holding one of your fingers and drop it right close to the cuticle. It's about 45-degree angle, and then really gentle to press it down. All right, so now you're gonna flash cure it. So I have the videos. It's really cool that you can use it with even like only 2 hands. You have a client, you have no one there. It's absolutely, you can do this even, actually it's even faster. I'm doing the video because under the camera, but when I do it no one's or no camera at all, what I do, if you don't have a flashlight, absolutely fine. You can definitely getting your LED lights, and then you can get it clear like right on the edges of it. I want to just like, what did you do?
I know.
See? And then we are moving on the next one. The next one I have, it is the number 6 again. So again, we are going to like full cure completely all the nails after we finish. But I'm gonna do a flash cure in every time, so then that way we can able to flash cure them all, and then do full cure when you are finishing apply all the nails on. So going ahead on the next one, which is the ring fingers, again same techniques, and then we are going to press it really gentle down. Okay, you can get. And then just hold for still. At this time when you're doing it, try not to move or try not to like leap it up, or ask the clients or yourself, if you're doing for yourself, make sure you sit still, don't move, don't just leave it up. If someone ding ding text you, just don't like leave it and then go text it, and you're gonna still, the gel still need to get time to cure. So give it about 10 seconds, and then you can let go and then full cure in a little bit. So moving on the last one, which is I have a pinky, and my pinky is size 9. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this tip extension glue gels, 1 drop. And then I am go ahead and here applies it. All right, place about 45-degree angle, and then press gentle down. You want to make sure you are gentle, press down. You don't want to squeeze it really fast and rush, because then the extension glue gel don't know where to go. It might spread it too much on the sides or squeeze it on the top of your cuticles, and it makes it difficult, and you have to like shape or filing them. So I was like doing it 45-degree angle, so it had time to like really blending out. And then can I have my phone, the black phone? It's how simple, quick, and fun, right? Right there. normally you see me doing with the long nails. And at this time, I'm gonna cutting a little bit shorter. I'm gonna show you.